Hi, this is Priyanka. Time for daily updates. After 2 days of sell-off, Indian markets started the April series on a positive note with the Sensex gaining 568 points to close at 49,008 and the Nifty ending at 182 points higher at 14,507. Experts observe that equity market has been consolidating under fear of losing its traction of economic growth recovery. Positive US job data and climb in the fourth quarter of US GDP to 4.3% helped to reduce the gravity of the contraction. On the domestic front, high-frequency data suggest good economic activity in financial year 21 and results will be announced from April. The second wave of COVID-19 and high valuation will maintain volatility in the near term. Thus, it was observed that Nifty started the day on a strong note after a steep correction in the previous two sessions and closed more than 1% higher, driven by buying and short covering across sectors. Despite the day's strong up move, none of the main momentum oscillators turned into buy mode on daily chart, whereas multiple technical parameters on weekly chart turned into sell mode. The only solace for bulls appeared to be that the Nifty is consistently gaining support from its 13-week exponential moving average on weekly chart, whose value for the next week is placed around 14,425 levels. Hence, sustaining above this level, that is 14,425 on the weekly closing basis, is critical for the bulls to avoid bigger cuts. Markets witnessed a breather after the recent fall and settled with decent gains on the favorable global cues. After a gap-up opening, the benchmark gradually inched higher, but profit-taking in the latter half trimmed the gains. Finally, Nifty ended with healthy gains of 1.3% at 14,507. Broader indices, mid-cap and small-cap too ended with healthy gains. Witnessed a bounce back after declining sharply in the last couple of sessions. In terms of price patterns, the index seems to have formed a wedge pattern. On Thursday, it reached the lower end of the pattern and thereon, the index took a leap on Friday. The Fibonacci retracement shows that the index retraced 61.8%. The golden ratio mark induced a fresh round of buying in the market. Thus, the index is expected to move up further towards its key daily moving averages that are near around 14,700 to 14,800 levels. The Nifty witnessed a sharp bounce, perhaps owing to oversold levels, which almost erased the previous session's losses. The bulls, however, failed to capitalize on a strong opening. Incremental intraday gains which resulted in doji formation of the daily charts. A small bearish candle was formed on the second consecutive time on the weekly charts. The Nifty formed a doji candle and a doji star pattern by combining the price behavior of the last two trading sessions. The index formed a doji pattern on the daily chart as the closing was near its opening levels. However, for the week, it lost 1.6% and formed a small bearish candle on the weekly scale as the closing was lower than the opening levels. A doji candle indicates indecisiveness among the bulls and the bears, and bounces were being sold in the absence of follow-up buying interest. Experts say the index needs to hold above 14,425 to avoid bigger cuts for incoming sessions. Detailed study indicates that the Nifty opened sharply higher at 14,506 amid volatility and hit an intraday high of 14,572 before signing off the session at 14,507, up by almost 182 points. Thus, the experts summarized that the Nifty witnessed a sharp bounce, perhaps owing to oversold levels, which almost erased the preceding session's losses, but bulls in a way failed to capitalize further on strong opening without any incremental intraday gains, which resulted in a doji formation in the daily charts, whereas a small bearish candle for the second consecutive week is registered on the weekly chart. India VIX fell by 9%. Options data indicated that the Nifty could see an immediate trading range of 14,000 to 14,200 to 14,800 to 15,000 levels. Since it is a beginning of new series, the options data is scattered at different strikes. On the options front, maximum put open interest was seen at 14,000, followed by 13,500 strike, while maximum call open interest was seen at 15,000 followed by 16,000 strike. The Bank Nifty opened gap up at 33,605 but continued moving sideways throughout the day. It reached the previous day's high but could not hold above 33,500 zone and drifted below 33,200. Finally, it managed to close with gains of 311 points at 33,318 levels. It formed a bearish belt hold candle on the daily scale, but the weekly structure continues to be negative. Now the Bank Nifty has to hold above 33,500 to witness an up move towards 34,000 levels and 34,500 levels, while on the downside the support is seen at 33,000 and 32,500 levels. All the sectorial indices ended in green, with the Nifty Metal Index rising 3.6%, BSE Mid-Cap and Small-Cap indices gained over a percentage each. All the S&P BSE sectorial indices ended in green, with the metal index adding 3.5%, while capital goods, auto, FMCG and realty indices rose over a percentage each. What experts suggest investors should do on Tuesday? Considering a weak setup, traders should wait for some more consolidation before initiating trade on the long side. Intraday shorting can be considered if the index slips below 14,400 levels for the modest target of 14,300. If the bulls manage to push the index beyond 14,573 in the next session, the Nifty can test its 20 DEMA at 14,756. On the downside, 14,414 will be an important support point. If the index closes below 14,414 levels, then it can resume the weakness with initial targets placed around 14,264 levels. The market has formed a bullish Harani pattern. The market stopped at large support area the previous day and formed a bullish pattern on Friday, indicating that the coming week may be positive for the market. On the weekly basis, the market has completed a corrective pattern and the Nifty could see a low level of 14,750 or 14,900 until it breaks to 14,250. The index is facing stiff resistance around 14,800 to 14,700 zone, and a convincing move beyond this resistance zone would open a further upside. On dips, 14,250 levels could offer a support to the market. If the bulls manage to push the index beyond 14,573 levels in the next session, then the Nifty can test its 20 DEMA, whereas the downside of 14,414 shall be an important support as a close below the level could resume weakness with initial targets placed around 14,264 levels. Considering a weak technical setup, traders are advised to wait for some more time for consolidation before initiating trade on the long side, whereas intraday shorting can be considered if the index slips below 14,400 for a modest target of 14,300. The Bank Nifty is also expected to move to 34,700 above the resistance level of 33,700. The focus should be on FMCG and capital goods. During the week, FIIs had sold shares to the tune of 6,000 crore till Friday, while domestic institutions bought for over 3,000 crore. During the week, the dollar index was biggest factor that dragged the sentiment of the market in the coming week. The trend of the market would again largely depend on the dollar index. The Nifty has to cross and hold above 14,550 to witness a bounce towards 14,675 and 14,800 zones, while on the downside support exists at 14,400 and 14,250 levels. As stated by Goldstone expert, traders should trade extremely cautiously with strict stop losses and should follow support and resistance levels on strict basis. We feel this bounce is just a pause and traders should maintain extra caution until we see some stability in the move. Investors, on the other hand, can now start accumulating quality stocks as we have already seen in decent correction. Follow support and resistance level along with trading call as published on our Telegram channel. For regular updates, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube and Telegram channel. Also follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Be a part of Goldstone family on Facebook. Views by Goldstone Finvest. Let's build fortune together.